Now that we know how to convert between meters and kilometers, let's see some of their applications in word problems. So, the first question is, Sam's school is 2000 meters away from his house. So, how many kilometers does he have to cover? How do we really solve this problem? Let's see. Now, we know that 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, isn't it? Now we need to convert 2000 meters into kilometers. So we need to find 2000 meters is how many kilometers. Now when we are converting meters to kilometers, it means we are trying to convert from smaller unit to larger unit. And that means, according to the trick, we know that when we are converting from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide. So, we need to divide 2000 and divide by what? Well, we need to divide by the conversion. That is, how many meters is 1 kilometer? Well, it's 1000 meters. So, we need to divide 2000 by 1000. So, it will be 2000 by 1000 kilometers. So, as soon as you divide it by 1000, then this number converts to kilometers. So, 2000 by 1000. So, that converts to 2 kilometers. So, Sam has to cover 2 kilometers to reach his school. So, 2000 meters in kilometers is 2 kilometers. Now, Sonu and Monu ran for 6000 meters and 5 kilometers respectively. So, who has covered a greater distance? How do we find out the solution for this problem? Well, you have to notice one very important thing. What is that? Well, both the distances are mentioned in different units. One is in meters and one is in kilometers. So we need to convert any one of them into the other. That is, either we convert meters to kilometers or kilometers to meters. Only then we'll have a common unit and we'll be simply able to compare between both of them, and we can decide who ran or who covered a greater distance. So let's start the calculation. Now we know that 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, isn't it? So what do we need to find out? We need to find out how much is 6000 meters in kilometers. So once we have this converted into kilometer, then the other quantity is already in kilometers, and then we can easily compare. So we need to convert 6000 meters into kilometers. Now how do we do that? What exactly are we trying to do? We are trying to convert meters to kilometers. That is, smaller unit to a larger unit. And what do we do when we have to convert smaller unit to a larger unit? We divide, isn't it? Now we will divide 6000 by what? By the conversion. We know that 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So we will divide 6000 by 1000. So we can write this as 6000 by 1000 kilometers. So now this quantity has been converted into kilometers. 6000 by 1000 kilometers, which gets converted to 6 kilometers. Therefore, Sonu has covered 6 kilometers and Monu has covered 5 kilometers. So Sonu has covered a greater distance, isn't it? Because he covered 6 kilometers compared to 5 kilometers of Monu. So how did we come to this conclusion? Because we were able to convert meters to kilometers, that is 6000 meters to kilometers, using The trick, that is, when we convert from meters to kilometers, that is smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide. So we divided 6000 by 1000 and then we got the answer. So Sonu has covered a greater distance compared to Monu. So we saw the importance of conversion of units, and I would like you to solve
more of similar problems
until you become perfect.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.